and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please make sure and hit that subscribe button down below. So Bae and I are actually in line now waiting to check in to aboard the Allure of the Seas through Royal Caribbean. So our check-in time was at 12:30. It is about 11:30 now, so we might have a little bit of a wait, but we are here and we are in line and ready to go. So we have just made it to our room. We are on deck 10, room 611. And so this is the initial view. We do have a balcony view. So to my left, we have a door that leads to like an adjoining, like if you were to have kids with you or other family members, you can get rooms together with an adjoining door. So since we are not like next door to family, this door is locked. There is also a door on the other side for the other guest, and their door is locked as well. To my right, we have the restroom. We have a big mirror, the sink area here. Underneath, we have a little waste basket, a little shelf here, and some storage. We have another wastebasket here. The toilet paper holder is actually up under this little nook, and we have another one down below next to the toilet bowl scrubber. And we have this button, which is used to flush the toilet. Here we have a little shelf there for some minimal storage, some glasses and shelving all along here. We have some towel hooks up top, more towel space here. And this is the shower. It opens up kind of like a little cocoon, and you can see that. So there's removable shower head. They have hair and body wash. It's a 2-in-1. There's also hooks in the shower and lighting within the shower, so it's not as dark, and I think that the light switch is actually outside of the bathroom. And then on the door we have some more hooks for more towel storage. And so here we have some lights. So that one was for the main cabin. Here we have a master switch. I think that controls everything. Here we have the thermostat to make it cooler or warmer, and I'm actually gonna make it a little bit cooler in here. And as you can tell, like compared to the Carnival line, you don't have to have like your card and the light switch to turn the lights on and off. Here we have some hooks, hang a jacket or something, your shirt, some storage space. We have a folder here. I'm gonna open it up. So we have a breakfast menu, room service menu, that's all in there. Here we have thin storage space with some shelving. And I think we have another one down below. Really small kind of shelves. We have an outlet here with the vanity section, a nice mirror and chair. We have some more storage, hairdresser, Kleenex, some shelving there. And then we have a mini fridge. And this is our television. It looks like we have a little radio situation here. And Bay is taking advantage of our lounge space. We have a coffee table with a sofa, nice artwork up there. Here we have some lighting, switches, and the phone. We do have the king size bed. So there's the two twin beds pushed together. Upon request, if that needs to be changed for you, your stewardess can separate them for you. Some nice little art deco designs. And look at the carpet, it kind of goes with it, the blue and green and the blue and green decor. And so we do have a balcony view. Ours is interior view, so we overlook the garden. We have a garden view, Central Park view. So I'm gonna open, if I can figure out how to open it. So there's instructions here. So it looks like it goes up. It's a hard pull up, and then push or pull. Oh, and then, okay, so let's do that again. Instant replay. And notice that sound quality there. So right now the handle is in the closed position. And so to open it, you pull it all the way up and slide it. And so we have some eating space. We have chairs and a table. We do have some partitions here to separate our next door neighbors. And this is our view. And as you can hear, there's some great music playing. And this is our view of the park. And again, this is the Allure of the Seas cruise ship. It looks beautiful out here, guys. And coming back into the living room, I just realized I didn't show y'all the closet space that we're working with. So it's a sliding door. And there's more shelving here with a safe. And then here we have the closet space. This is one view of it. We have some hangers. And I'm gonna slide the other side so that y'all can see the other side. And so we have all of that space to work with. Hey guys, so Bay and I, we went to the Windjammer Marketplace, which is the place where you get your food. They have like a buffet style service there. One of the things that I really liked is that they force you to sanitize, and they have like a designated hand washing station, which is amazing. And also, like, instead of a typical buffet where you serve yourself and you're like touching the spoons and the utensils to grab your own food, there's actually servers there that prepare your plate for you. So you just walk up to whatever station and you're like, I want this, and they'll put that on your plate for you, so you don't have to worry about touching utensils after other people. And so I'm going to show you guys what I am having for lunch. I got some corn, some broccoli, some barbecue chicken, and some curry chicken and rice, and a nice Caesar salad. And one pleasant surprise is that they have fruit punch. On Carnival Cruise Lines, they only have like the lemonade and iced tea or unsweet tea. And they actually have lemonade, they have this iced tea, and this fruit punch. So I am about to dig in.